Alright, here's the inside of a 22 plus Toyota Tundra 3.5 liter muffler, stock muffler. You can see this is the inlet. So the inlet leads in. There's a couple of holes in this first chamber, but then it continues, more holes through this second chamber, more holes through this third chamber, and it goes into this chamber where there's no way out of it except for that little hole way down there and this little hole right here. That's the only way to get out of the chamber where all the exhaust blows into. Then it blows through this chamber, comes out of this chamber through these holes, out of that chamber through these holes, and then back into this chamber. And then that's the inlet to the exit, which has holes. You can go from these holes to these holes if it wants to, but then it goes down this pipe. This is actually a little muffler right here, a little glass pack type muffler inside of the muffler. And then this is like a little resonator chamber because it only has these holes. That's the only way you can go into here. There's no way into this chamber from the rest of the muffler except for these little holes right here. You can see through here. It's a perforated deal down there. It's hard to see. Very, very restrictive. And it's not because Toyota didn't know what they were doing. They had to make it restrictive to make it as quiet as they need it to in order to pass the 55-mile-an-hour drive-by standard by the federal government. We don't have that standard. We just want to have it comfortable, but also make power. And that's the point of BA mufflers.